Hello violinists, hope you're doing great. I'm Fernanda Vidal and welcome to my YouTube channel. Surely you've listened to this new incredible song by Coldplay and BTS, which I really like. So I'm gonna be doing my Universe Violin tutorial. If you have any questions, remember to leave your comment down below. So let's begin doing a little review of all rhythms we're gonna find here. So try to listen to metronome at the same time. First, this rhythm, which is a dotted quarter note equal to 1 beat and a half, and an 8th note equals to half beat. Then the syncopation of an 8th note with a quarter note and again an 8th note. This other syncopation of an 8th note with 2 quarter notes and an 8th note. An 8th note rest with 2 16th notes. A dotted 8th note with a 16th note. Then this rhythm. This other rhythm. And that's all. So let's begin, violinists. Let's begin with part A, which is the chorus. I'm going to play the metronome at 60. And let's begin with pizzicato. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then let's go to part B, or the verse, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now violinists, let's go with part C, or the chorus. One, 2, 3, and 4. And finally, violinists, let's go with part D. Okay, so first we have a quarter rest. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, violinists. Remember that you can find the sheet music on my Instagram highlights. And if you like it, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell me what other songs would you like to learn. See you soon. Bye bye.